Yep, you
I didn't realize they started.
get him
moving
first
like
shots and he's already dialed. I would also take it farther.
that. Yeah, I'll turn. Straight in and out a bit. That's one hit on that. Getting a rep on that. This might be a broken.
You should pull us out. I don't know. You're not pulling us out. You're getting us really close to them.
Yeah, my wheel got broken, but.
Well, I bagged one.
Nice.
Stay in.
Okay. Turning. Might lose for the second.
Got their mass.
Their mass, nice. One on our mass.
Our mass
What?
got hit. Keep me in angle,
Yep.
Sprinty.
Just straight in. Pulling mass.
I've got him off cannon.
Nice. Wrap in. Never mind.
Bagged one.
Nice.
I need you to keep the boat up.
Yeah, I got it. I'm down here.
Bagged one.
Nice.
Let's get us like moving to different spots so we're not in broad with them.
Yeah.
We're bobbing too much because we're staying
I'm
still.
moving.
Perfect. Huge. Just raise us in front of them.
Will do, sir. Okay, kind of for a second.
Mm-hmm. Just keep angle first before cannon.
Yeah.
Tell me when you need me to shoot.
You can shoot now.
Alright. All bottoms are patched, I think.
I got you, snipes.
Watch out for
Snipe, I kinda
harpoons.
won. I got fucked.
Good harpoon,
You killed
brother.
him?
I got one. He's not dead somehow.
Oh, that's a streamer.
Yeah, I know.
Watch.
You gotta
He's
watch.
on. He's on. So,
Hit again.
kind of winning.
Shoot him.
He's not dead.
Please kill him.
He's dead. Fuck that. Dude.
Well played.
Hey, we're
I
being
guess.
third-partied.
Are we?
Yep.
That's the island cannon.
Oh, they sank.
Nice.
Alright, good shit.